Let's make waffle. Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some
pancakes,
heart waffles.
and you need to be careful.
So this is what you're gonna need. Heart waffle maker, like this
Yeah.
one.
And then don't put your hand inside
Also
it.
the mixture.
Because
I don't know how you make it.
how to make it.
Yeah,
You
so
need-
how do you make this mixture?
You just put stuff like these, and maybe
No, like what's in the mixture?
in the mixture you need powder.
What kind of
And
powder?
then, waffle powder,
Oh, a mix, waffle mix. Okay.
waffle mix, and you need to put some water inside, and then mix it until it's soft. When it's hard, you need to put some.
Yeah, make sure there's no clumps. When you're done, you'll end up with this.
Yeah, and then you make some, and then you put some milk on it.
Don't forget to add some. This is optional. You can get like syrup, honey, spread. We're using
You
natural
can have honey, syrup, chocolate syrup, and different kinds of syrups.
but it's optional.
Yeah, option. You want
So
to
this
choose
is how you
syrups, peanut butter, or jam, or jelly.
So this is how you do it. You
You
take a
need
scoop
And then
and gloop it in there.
Chanelle, can I put it on?
Okay, careful. Come on, spread it together. Careful not to touch the waffle maker.
Yeah, because you can burn your hands, right? And then
You close it.
yeah, drop it.
And then wait till the blue light's on.
Yeah, when
Just wait till it's done.
yeah.
Okay.
See that? You need to wait for it.
Oh, it's overflowing.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Tissue. No, yummy.
Okay, whatever. That's why we need
See that?
Careful.
You need to be careful because don't put your the whole hand in there
Okay.
because you
And
can
then-
burn your hand and then it will be flat and then it will be like like that. Not
Okay.
making noise
Once
again.
you're done, you can put on your spread.
Yeah, spread it.
Well, we're gonna put our spread or like your syrup thing on it.
It's actually almost done, so don't put too much over there.
So actually, what we're making is strawberry. I think this is jam, right?
Yeah.
This is what I call the strawberry spreaded waffle.
No. Jam waffle.
So that's what we're making.
Looks good. Oh, done.
There, we did it.
I will get it.
No, careful.
Get it, Chanelle.
Once you're done,
You need to
so
grab
we're just
it.
taking a good look of our waffle, even though it's like already burned.
Jam.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And also, I'd like to give a shout out to Kylie. It's called Kylie's Big World. Check it out, it's really cool. So, bye. Thank you for watching this video.
Subscribe channel because you need to subscribe it right now. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Jam.